Natarajan Chandrasekaran is an Indian businessman and chairman of Tata Sons. He was Chief Operating Officer and Executive Director of Tata Consultancy Services, where in 2009, he became Chief Executive Officer. He was also the chairman of Tata Motors and Tata Global Beverages. He became the first non-Parsi and professional executive to head the Tata Group. On 18 December 2019, the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal held the appointment of Chandrasekaran as illegal and restored Cyrus Mistry as executive chairman. In January 2020, the Supreme Court of India overruled NCLAT. Chandrasekaran studied in a Tamil government school in Mohinar. He later received a bachelor's degree in applied sciences from the Coimbatore Institute of Technology in Tamil Nadu. He earned his Master of Computer Applications from the Regional Engineering College, Tiruchirappalli, in Tamil Nadu, India, in 1986. Joining TCS in 1987, Chandrasekaran took over as CEO on 6 October 2009, prior to which he was co- and executive director of TCS. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.